Let's dive into the biggest updates from India's BFSI sector of second week of May 2025. India's banking and finance sector is heating up, from billion-dollar foreign investment to cybersecurity battles and even AI revolutionizing how banks operate. This week has been packed with power moves. If you are in finance, fintech, or just love tracking money, you need to know what's going on. Number 1. Yes Bank massive foreign investments. Yes Bank is getting a big time global boost. Sumitomo Mitsui Banking Corporation, that is SMBC, is investing 13,480 crores. Yes, over 1.5 billion for 20% stake in Yes Bank. This is being called the largest cross-border investment in an Indian bank to date. But why does this matter? Because Yes Bank has been on recovery journey ever since its crisis in 2020. With SBI and other stakeholders stepping in back then, this fresh foreign capital signals confidence in the bank's turnaround. Also, this deal could mark a new era of Indo-Japan banking synergy. Number 2. LIC's up its stake in Bank of India. India's insurance giant LIC is making its own strategic play. It increased its stake in Bank of India to 8.38% and the market responded instantly. BOI shares surged over 2% on a BSC. This move isn't just about equity, it's a signal. LIC increasing its bet on PSU Bank says a lot about its long term outlook on public sector banking, stability, and growth. Number 3. SEBI welcomes foreign money into government bonds. On the regulatory front, SEBI just made a bold proposal: ease the rule for foreign investors buying Indian government bonds. That means if you are a foreign fund and if you are into GSEC, you may no longer need to jump through the casual disclosure hoops. Why this is important? It can open floodgate for foreign capital in Indian debt market, increase liquidity and even help the RBI in managing yields. Number 4. Cybersecurity alert across BFSI. Now onto something critical. Cybersecurity. The BSC, yes the Bombay Stock Exchange itself issued a red alert this week. Why? Certain India's cybersecurity agencies warned of Pakistan-linked cyber campaign targeting our BFSI sector. Banks, insurers, fintechs, everyone has been asked to ramp up cyber defenses. Even Punjab National Bank has reportedly set up 24/7 war room to monitor threats. This is no drill. With India-Pakistan tension flaring up again, digital infrastructure is as vulnerable as physical borders. Number 5. Finance Minister's Directive, no downtime. In the same context, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman made a very clear call to banks. No interruption in service, especially in border region, where uninterrupted banking access is now seen as a national priority. It's not just about the ATMs and apps, it's about confidence, stability, and operational resilience, no matter what geopolitical risk we are facing. Number 6. RBI's local cloud push. Here's something ambitious from the Reserve Bank of India. RBI plans to launch its own cloud infrastructure for financial institutions by 2025. Why? Because global cloud giants like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud are too pricey for smaller banks and NBFCs. This new RBI led cloud will be secured, localized, and affordable, encouraging more firms to digitalize without breaking the bank. This cloud completely transformed digital banking in Tier 2, Tier 3 cities and give Indian data a serious upgrade. Number 7. AI and generative AI are disrupting banking. Speaking of tech, AI is no longer futuristic, it's frontline. Banks in India are deploying AI and generative AI across operation to improve customer service with smarter chatbots, enhance fraud detection with real-time pattern recognition, speed up credit decision with better risk profiling, and even automate compliance. This is making banking faster, leaner, and hyper-personalized. In fact, some fintech players are even creating virtual financial advisors that runs entirely on AI. Number 8. Digital only banks and open banking on the rise. Another hot trend, the rise of digital only banks. No branches, no paperwork, just app. This shift is giving consumers greater flexibility, especially millennials and Gen Z, who hate waiting in the lines. And open banking? It's enabling collaboration between traditional bank and fintech startup. So your savings app can talk to your mutual fund dashboard, which can integrate with your expense tracker all in real time. This open finance ecosystem is simplifying lives and thriving innovation like never before. Number 9. Banking as a Service BaaS grows bigger. Let's not forget BaaS, banking as a service. Imagine an e-commerce platform that offer you a loan right at checkout. That's BaaS in action. It allows non-bank platforms to integrate banking services via APIs with the bank working in the background. More platform equal to more revenue streams for bank plus better financial access for customer. So it's a win-win. Number 10. Sustainability and ESG in focus. Banks are now going big on ESG, that is environmental social governance standards and green financing, from loans for electric vehicle to bond funding renewable energy projects. Sustainability is becoming a core part of the BFSI sector. Why? Because global investors are demanding it and regulations are tightening. Expect green loans and climate risk scoring to be the common financial term soon. So, what's the takeaway? India's BFSI sector isn't just evolving, it's transforming at a high speed. Between global investments, cutting edge tech, and real world financial inclusion, this week has shown that banking isn't just about money. It's about resilience, innovation, and serving every Indian better and smarter. If this is what once week looked like, imagine the months ahead. Stay tuned because finance in India is getting future ready and fast.